Lion Corporation announced on 3rd that it would stop airing the new commercial System Haguki Plus Premium, which had been airing since September 1st. It was pointed out that the sound effect at the beginning of the commercial sounds like an emergency warning sound. After the Haguki Plus commercial began airing, opinions on the social media became emerging like this. One user said the sound effect in the Haguki Plus commercial sounds like a J alert and it makes me feel uneasy. Another said the sound at the beginning of the Haguki Plus commercial sounds like a J alert and it's scary, and am the only one who thinks that the sound of Maya Miki's balloon inflating sounds like a J alert were raised on the internet. In response to this, Lion's official website announced that it would stop airing the System Haguki Plus Premium.